The U.S. Air Force has released the first video of its new experimental drone, the XQ-67A, marking a significant step towards the future of Autonomous Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCA. The 90-second clip, published by the Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL, on June 26, 2024, shows the inaugural flight of the XQ-67A, which took place in February at General Atomics' Gray Butte facility in Palmdale, California. The XQ-67A is part of AFRL's low-cost attritable aircraft platform sharing program, which aims to test off-board sensing station (OBSS) technologies. These technologies are designed for data sharing capabilities on autonomous drones. Although the XQ-67A can be remotely piloted, it is also capable of autonomous flight. This project follows the development of Kratos' XQ-58A Valkyrie, which was initially developed under the USAF's Skyborg program and is now being tested by the U.S. Marine Corps. Since its first flight on February 28th, the XQ-67A has completed 3 test flights. General Atomics highlighted the aircraft as a preliminary version of a CCA, building multiple variants from a common core chassis. The company stated that the prototype had completed additional test flights, paving the way for a comprehensive production and flight test program. The Air Force is also exploring autonomous technology through the X-62 Vista, a modified F-16 aircraft. Last month, Secretary of the Air Force Frank Kendall participated in simulated dogfights aboard an AI-piloted Vista against a human pilot. AFRL's XQ-67A, designed, built, ground-tested, and flown in just over 2 years, builds on the success of the XQ-58A Valkyrie and complements efforts with the X-62 Vista and F-16 Venom to accelerate the deployment of CCAs, AFRL stated in a release.